Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Of course it'd be me on my channel, unless my grandkids are here. So, I'm here with the Oldies but Goodies Gen X Toons ATC cards. Gen X Toons. Hashtag it and you will come up with me and Sabrina. This week it is Heathcliff. So some of these, this is what me and Sabrina ran into. Sorry. Is finding like backgrounds. So this one I just did some green paper and some striped paper and this, and then I found the image and I just kind of puffed them up a little bit. But this is Heathcliff. I think he's so cool. I think he's a mischievous little cat, if I remember correctly. I'm not sure. I haven't watched Heathcliff. Some of these I have gone back and watched to refresh my memory, and this one I have not yet. I probably have by now because I'm recording these prior to my hand surgery. So that's why I still have all these fingers. I wanted to get them done because I don't know how long my healing process will be. So I'm pre-recording all the way up to end of May, just in case. But this is Heathcliff one. So please go check out Sabrina's. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.